When big changes happen in our lives or we're uncertain what the future holds, we can get anxious. Anxiety is not only the thoughts in our heads, it manifests itself physically, which when combined with the thoughts become our anxiety emotion. None of us like this feeling, and it keeps us from moving forward. It's a kind of paralysis. There was a time when my business was struggling, my family was expanding, and everyone was depending on me. I felt like I was trapped in a never-ending cycle of uncertainty. I wasn't sure what to do next. Anxiety had clouded my ability to think as clearly as I needed. It even led to anger, something I really don't like in myself. Do you ever have these feelings of frustration, uncertainty, and anxiety? We all do. It's usually something out of our control, or something you know you should be doing differently but just can't get started because of fear. If we don't address our anxiety, it can spiral into exhaustion and worse. We don't have to control our thoughts. We just have to stop letting them control us. Overcoming anxiety takes time and effort, but it's possible. By taking small steps each day, you can break free from the destructive grip of anxiety and live a more calm and peaceful life. Here's some ideas that help me, and I hope they help you if you're worried about something. Schedule worry time. I know it sounds crazy, but just schedule 10 minutes a day and write down your worries. Then do your best to forget them until tomorrow. Next, challenge negative thoughts. Recognize and reframe negative thought patterns. Replace them with positive affirmations and forward-looking statements of excitement and self-encouragement. Prioritize your physical well-being. Sleep, exercise, and a healthy diet help to reduce anxiety. Next, simplify. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps to reduce the overwhelm. And seek professional help. If your anxiety is severe, consider therapy to help guide you. And finally, practice mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing to stay present. Overcoming anxiety is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and kind to yourself. Celebrate even the smallest victories. With the right strategies and support, you can reclaim the life you want and deserve. Please share this post to help someone else who may be overcome with anxiety. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. With just a couple of clicks, you could be helping thousands of people. Thanks.